I'm your host, Engineer Sanjeev Yadav.
I would like to say from bottom of my heart a very special happy new year to all of you.
तो आप 365 दिन में आप बहुत इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों
Happy New Year to all of you. It's nice. Be happy.
I'm very happy with all of you. On behalf of Gold Institute of English Language, I'm your host, Engineer Sanjeev Yadav, and I want to extend my warm welcome to all of you. It is very special day. So now I would like to talk about my founder and CEO of this institute, whose name is Dr. Aminendra Sir. He is very gentleman. He started this institute in 2015 and right now it has become a large institute in Jaunpur. And I want to say thanks for Dr. Aminendra Sir because the way he teach and the way he everything did, it was nice. When it comes to speaking, we all know it is very difficult to speak. But right now we are speaking English and it is because of Dr. Anand Vishkarma sir. So personally, in my opinion, I haven't seen like this teacher, and I am going to tell you just one thing that is very important. The thing that I have observed from this institute, I want to share. This is the institute where we are trained to speak English. So now, before taking your much time, I want to say thank you so much for joining us. And now I would like to call my participant, whose name is Aman. Aman, please come here and talk about what is the day of today and what should I do today and what should I skip. Whatever thing we did in our 2025, maybe it was nice and it was amazing and bad, but now we have started our new journey and this is the 2026. So what we have to do and what we should do, and please talk about this institute. Please come here, Aman.
Before I get started, I would like to say from bottom of my heart a very special happy new year to all of you present over here. My name is Aman Prajapati. I am a student of this institute. So today we are here to celebrate this occasion, and that is a happy new year. So actually we must remember this year is going to remember for everyone. So make sure this year is going to be a very happy and joyful, and all your dreams will become true. So believe in yourself and just take an action against your future, and that will be very amazing and for everyone. So today we all are here to celebrate. We have happiness in our heart that we will express here with all the students and even Mr. Sanjeev Yadav, and who is a senior from all of us. So it was really a good day for everyone to celebrate it, and that's all. Thank you very much.
Aman, I want to ask from you,
Okay.
What the thing that you have got from this institute?
So you mean to know, you wanna know how I gain my...
Yeah,
Oh.
how you have started to
So
speak English.
let us start without delay any further. The first thing that comes to my mind is when I met Dr. Onin sir, it looked like he is really a fabulous man and very gentleman. So I took admission in this Gold Institute to build my communication skill and as well as personality. That is a really matter in our life. Everywhere it's matter. So I thought that time and I took admission, and since then I am here and to build our mindset and also personality.
Yeah.
That's it. So anything else you wanna know from you, you can ask.
Without taking much your time, Aman,
Okay.
as you know, we have a shortage of time. Now I want to call my next participant, whose name is Kiran. Kiran, please come here. और आप जो है कि न्यू ईयर के बारे में कुछ बात करिए और ये बताइए कि आपने पिछले साल जो है कि क्या सीखा इंस्टीट्यूट में। अभी हमारे सेंटर में कल ही 2025 बीता हुआ है और आज से हमारा 2026 स्टार्ट हो गया है। तो आज से आप बताइए कि हमें क्या चीजें फॉलो करनी चाहिए, जो आपके साथ गलत हुआ, जो भी आपके साथ जो भी अच्छा है बुरा हुआ होगा 2025 में, तो आप क्या करना चाहती हैं 2025 जो हमारा आपके साथ बीता इसमें 2026 के बारे में और इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में। प्लीज आप यहाँ पे आइए और बताइए।
First of all, before I go ahead, I would like to say Happy New Year मेरी तरफ से आप सभी लोगों को। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि आज हर तरह के लोग सब अपना न्यू ईयर हर जगह पे हर विजिट जाके अपना पार्टी वगैरह सब कर रहे हैं। तो ये हम गोल्ड इंस्टीट्यूट में आज हम सब यहाँ पे सब मिलके पार्टी मना रहे हैं सर।
न्यू ईयर मना रहे हैं, आपका कहने का मतलब हम लोग न्यू ईयर यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं।
यस सर, आज न्यू ईयर की पार्टी हम सब सेलिब्रेट कर
और
रहे
आप
हैं।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे किरण, इस इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में बताइए। किरण जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके
मैं
बारे
ये कहना चाहूंगी कि ये इंस्टीट्यूट इट्स अ वेरी गुड।
में?
I'm glad to be here, and I'm so happy. Dr. Avni sir, he is very intelligent coach in my life. I know कि Avni sir, he is a great teacher.
You know, Dr. Anil sir has made you speak English.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a very amazing thing that you are right now doing. And मैं बहुत आप खुश हूँ, मैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस शेयर कर रही हूँ।
Yes.
You know, spoken everything in English because speaking in English is easier said than done. We are not we are not from the USA, not from the London. We are from the India. So this is why I think you have completed your 12th from UP board.
Yes sir.
And after that, if you are speaking, so it's a very good.
Last but not the least, thanks to all of you, and thanks to you sir. You invited me.
I want to call my next participant whose name is अभिषेक. प्लीज कम हियर. और आप कुछ बोलिए, हिंदी में ही बोलिए, लेकिन आप बोलिए. मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं, लेकिन आप जो है कि आज सिर्फ हिंदी में बोलिए. आप जो शायरी बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप सिर्फ हिंदी में बोलिए, हिंदी में एक शायरी हम लोग को सुनाइए.
वेरी फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू से माय नेम अभिषेक प्रजापति. सो आज नया साल है और नए साल पे आज हम लोग यहाँ पे उपस्थित हुए हैं और आप सभी को नए साल के हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और हमारे सभी देशवासियों को नए साल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. तो दोस्तों, आज के दिन बहुत सारे लोग वेट कर रहे थे कि आज का दिन शुभ हो, तो आज वो दिन आ चुका है और आज से हम अपनी कुछ नई जिंदगी शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि हम पहले से कुछ बनाए रखते हैं ड्रीम में, मैं इस बार पूरा करूंगा. तो दोस्तों, आज वो दिन आ गया है. आज से आप टारगेट कीजिए कि आज से एक वर्ष पहले हमें कुछ बनना है. तो अगर आप यहीं से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं तो आप 365 दिन में आप बहुत इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. तो दोस्तों, मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहता हूं, अगर आप स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे तो दोस्तों आप आगे चल के कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे और आपकी ज़िंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी. क्योंकि लोग यही सोचते हैं कि मैं अब क्या करूं, उनको समझ में नहीं आता और उसी लोग वही रूल बार बार फॉलो करते हैं. सोचते हैं नई ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत कब की जाए, अपने ड्रीम को आगे लेकर कैसे जाएं. तो मैं आपसे करना चाहता हूं, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि मैं नई ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत करूं, अपना भी सपना पूरा कर दूं, तो आप कर सकते हैं. आप नई ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत कर सकते हैं और आप बड़े मुकाम पे जा सकते हैं. तो दोस्तों, मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहता हूं. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Abhishek. You have shared very good thing that what if we want to do anything in this year, so we can do anything before 365 days. So you have spoken very well. Now I want to call Shapna.
Delete negative peoples and forget your past or accept your mistake and restart your life. सब कुछ मिल जाएगा जिंदगी में, तमन्ना किसकी करोगे. सब कुछ मिल जाएगा जिंदगी में, तमन्ना किसकी करोगे. अधूरी ख्वाहिशें जिंदगी जीने का मजा देती हैं. थैंक यू.
We all are very happy the way you have spoken right now. So now I would like to call Ankita Maurya. Please come here and please talk about today.
Firstly, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity. Happy New Year to all of you. It's my pleasure. Today I am here.
So we have another participant whose name is Ranjita. Ranjita, please come here and talk about Happy New Year.
First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Ranjita Maurya. As you know, today is 1st January. 1st January is
known for
Happy New Year. 1st January जो होता है, इस दिन हम अपने नई उम्मीदों के साथ, नई लक्ष्य के साथ और अपने बीते हुए कल के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं और जो हमारा पास्ट होता है उस पास्ट की गलतियों से सीखते हैं। I have a quotes which is written by Dr. Avanindra sir, who is our coach, and the quotes is be happy, be with the what is going on, be happy with what you have, be happy with the way your life is moving, be happy just because no one is like you. So that's all about me. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to share thanks to all of you. You all have spoken very well, and I am very happy the way you have spoken. So I am very happy with all of you. Now I want to, cut the cake. So I am going to cut the cake. So I would like to call everyone. I would like to call Prinshal, Kiran, Ranjita, 5 or 6 students. Please come here. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, my whole classes. So guys, we are wishing our trainer, Dr. Avinda sir. He has done a lot of work for us, and right now we are speaking in English. So this is why we are wishing our coach, and now we are going to cut the cake. We are all the students.